So welcome to Five on Top. And my name is Teacher Jazz Roselle, and it's nice to see you again, Nita.
Hello,
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Wow, that's good to hear. And are you ready, Nita, for your new lesson?
Yeah.
Yes, okay, since you are ready, teacher will give you 1 star and listen and
Yeah.
look at teacher. Wow. Now, Nita, do you went to school today?
Yeah.
Wow. What did you do at school?
I play with my friend and I
Wow.
read my book and I going to eat food.
Wow, very good. That is nice. You
I
play with
I
your friends. Yes, very good. You also brush your teeth. Okay, with that, I will give you a balloon. Okay, good job. Now, okay. So listen and look at teacher, okay?
okay.
And let's start now. Okay, in this one. Okay, Nita, look at the picture and what can you see in the picture?
I see Timmy and
Very
Kissy
good, Timmy and Cindy.
Cindy
Okay, very good. What is this? Do you know? What is this?
with a
Okay,
picture.
yes, those are pictures or photos. Very good. 1 star. Now, Nita, let's read the title of your lesson. Okay, can you say, My Friends?
My friend.
Okay, very good. 1 star. Now, Nita, do you have friends at school?
Yeah, name
Yes.
Nico.
Wow. Good job. Now, thank you so much for that. And let's move on to your next page. Okay, now, Nita, you will look, guess, and say. Okay, look at the first clue. Okay, what is that?
Shoe.
Yes, a shoes or a heels. Next, another clue. What is that?
A
That is
dress.
a dress. Very good. Do you have a dress, Nita?
Yeah.
Wow, very good.
That.
Oh, just like that? Wow. Okay, next. What is the last clue? Okay, that is letter W. Now, what do you think is that?
Ballerina
Okay.
Capoeira.
Okay, now, let's look at the picture. Okay, now, what is that?
E a ballerina cappuccini.
That is a woman. Can you say it?
Woman.
Okay,
Why?
very good.
She
Yes, a woman is wearing a beautiful dress and a red shoes. Good job. Okay, with that, I will give you a star and a balloons. Okay, good job. Okay, now let's continue. And we are down to your phonics review. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, listen. Can you say very good? Can you say cubby?
Happy.
Fold.
Cold.
Again, cubby.
Coffee.
Cold.
Cold.
Okay, very good. 1 star. Next, listen. What is this? Ah,
And
can you say hat?
cat.
Hat.
Mat.
Again, hat.
Mat.
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 Okay, good job. And now, 1 star for you. And let's move on to our next page. Very good. And I will give you a ribbon. Good job, Nita. Next. Okay, next one. Okay, in this one, you will listen, click, and say. Okay, listen. Okay, what is that? Mat. Okay, very good. Next, listen. Cold. Good
See.
job. Next, cup. Very good. Next. Bad. Okay, very good. Wow, good job. Now with that, Nita. Yes, I will give you 1 star and a brilliant star. Okay, a sticker. Very good. And a balloon. Okay, good job. Next one. Now, Nita, look, blend, and say. Okay, ma, uh, ma, what is that?
Ma.
Yes, that is map. Can you say it?
Ma.
Very good. Next. Na, p. Na, p.
Upper. Not.
Enough. Very good. Next. Ka, mm. Ka,
Car.
can. Can you say it?
Can.
Very good. And the last one. Ka, ka,
The car.
ka. Very good. With that, 1 star for you. Oops, a superstar and
What's that?
and a ribbon. Okay, this is a
Yes.
superstar. Okay, good job. Next. Now, we will do the word review. And are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Now, in this one, look at the picture and we will read. Man. Can you say it? Man.
Can you say
it, Nita? Man. Next. Woman.
Woman.
Next. They. They. Men.
Man.
Women.
Woman.
Children.
Children.
Okay, good job. 1 star. Now, can you read them? What is this?
Man.
Next.
We.
Woman.
Woman.
Good job. Next.
We.
They. Can you say it? They.
They.
Good. Next. What is this? Man.
Man.
Next. Women.
Women.
Okay, and children.
Children.
Okay, very good. With that, 1 star for Nita. Good job. And a balloon. And I will give you an awesome sticker. Very good. Next one. Now, in this one, Nita, you will look and say what is in the picture. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. What is that?
Man.
Okay, very good. Next. That is woman.
Woman.
Okay, very good. Next.
Yeah.
That is
That is
women.
women.
Very good. Next. That is
Children.
very good. Next. What is that?
Man.
Good job. Next.
The you have to do.
What is that?
Is a photo.
They. Can you say it?
Hey.
Yes. Good job.
And now I have six.
Okay,
Man.
yes, you have 6. Man, good job.
4, 5 is hard. Okay.
What is that? Woman. Can you say it? Woman. Yes. Next. That is women.
Women.
Okay, good job. Next. That is,
Kids.
oops, children.
Children.
Okay, very good. Next
And
one.
I
Okay,
have
last two.
so. Oh,
Yes, you got 10 points. Man,
yeah.
very good. Wow, you got 11 points. Last
And,
one.
and what you have zero there?
What is that?
Uh, what net now? What net now? What net now? What
That
net now?
is they.
That play.
Okay, good job. 1 star. Wow. Good job, Nita, with that. 1 star for you. And
And
teacher will give you this one. A good job trophy. Wow. You got a good job trophy.
yeah,
And a
what have
balloons.
there? What you have zero over there?
What?
And what you have zero over there?
Pillow? I don't have a pillow there.
Zero eating. Zero.
Okay. Now, next one. Okay, now, Nita, are you ready to this? Let's talk more, okay? Let's go. Now, listen, and after listening, we will read.
So you
Okay, who do you want to read? Cindy or Timmy?
are going to be Cindy.
Okay, please read Cindy. Go. Let's read. Do you want
Do you want
to play
to
a
play
game,
a game?
Timmy? Timmy, can you say it? Do you want to play a game, Timmy? Okay. Yes, I do.
Game to me.
Nita, let's read. Okay. Can you say it, Nita? Okay, let's count
Let's have
the
a
people in the photos.
people.
Okay, very good. 1 star. Next, okay, listen.
Hi.
Okay, read Cindy. How many? Go, Nita. How many
How
women
many women
are there?
are there?
There is one woman.
To me easy.
Correct. Okay, now, Nita, can you circle the woman in the photo? Very good. Okay, good job. With that, I will give you 1 star and okay, a superstar is good. Next one. Okay, now let's listen.
How many and
Okay, let's read. Now, how many?
men are there?
Again, how many men?
Are there?
Can you say it? How many men are there?
How many men are there?
There is one man.
No, you have two.
Wrong. There are two men. Can you say it? Wrong. There are two men.
There are two men.
Okay, good job now, Nita. Can you circle the two men? Okay, one. And where is the other one? Very good. There are two men. Okay, good job. 1 star again. And a ribbon. Very good. Next one. Okay, listen. Okay, let's read. Can you say, who are they?
Who are they?
They are four children. They're friends.
There are 4 children. They are my friends.
Very good. Good job, Timmy.
Good job, Timmy.
Good job. 1 star. Now,
Good
Nita,
job,
look.
Jen.
Okay. Look and circle the 4 children. Very good. Now, who are they? Who are the 4 children?
They are my friends.
Okay, very good. They are.
They are little.
Yes, they are Timmy's friends. Good job. 1 star and a ribbon for you. Very good. Now let's move on to your next page, and it's game time. Are you ready?
Yeah,
Now,
no.
you should be ready. Let's go. Now, in this one, you will listen and repeat. Repeat the sentences loudly. Okay, Nita, you will say, how many women are there?
How many women are there?
Again, how many women are there?
How many women are there? How many women are there?
Again, how many women? Okay, good. Next one, you will say, there is one woman.
There is one woman. There is one woman. There is one woman.
Okay, good job. 1 star and balloons for you. Okay, good. Next one. Okay, now in this one, we will have a role play. And you will choose the character. Who do you want to be, Nita? A girl or a boy?
I want to be a girl.
Okay, what color of the clothes? The one with the glasses or the one with the headband?
The one with a headband.
Okay, you will be the girl with the headband and teacher will be the girl with glasses. Okay?
No way.
Yay! Let's read now. Okay, look at the picture, Nita, and you will answer the question. Now, how many men are there? Can you circle the men? Circle the men, Nita. How many men? There are?
There are 2 men.
Okay, very good. There are 2 men. How many women are there? Circle the women. Okay, how many women? There are. Oops, that is not included. There are.
Listen. Listen.
Okay, now.
There are 1.
There are
There
2 women. Can you say it?
There are 2 women.
Okay, how many children are there?
1, 2, 3.
Oops, this is not included.
Oh,
How many? Yes, it is not included. Again, how many children are there? There are
2, 3, 4, 5.
It is not included. We are not included. Only in the picture.
Oh, you know, I'm sitting.
There are 3 children, okay?
I will eat them.
Okay, next one. Now, we will switch the roles. And you will ask teacher. Okay, please read.
Good.
Okay, Nita, can you say how many men?
Are there? How many
Okay.
men are there?
How many?
How many boys are there?
How many men? Can you say it?
How many men are there?
Very good. There are 1, 2. There are 2 men. Okay, can you say how many women are there?
How many women are there?
Very good. There are 1, 2. There are 2 women. Next, how many children are there? Can you say it?
How many children are there?
Very good. Let's count. One,
One,
2, and 3.
two, three.
There are 3 children. Very good, Nita. 1 star. And I will give you a balloons. Okay, I will give you a trophy. Look, a
Wow.
great job. A great trophy. Okay, good job. Now, let's move on to your next page. And in this one, we will have a role play. And let's talk about a
Please.
play. Okay, let's read. It's a play.
There, there are plenty.
How many? Again, can you say it? It's a play.
There are plays.
How many men
How many men
are there?
are there?
Okay, can you circle the men, Nita?
Okay.
1, 2,
3.
3. Very good. Can you say it? There are 3 men.
There are 3 men.
How many women?
How many? There are.
Women.
There
Again,
are.
how many women are there?
There are one little place. Is
Okay, there is 1 woman. Can you say it?
there one woman.
Very good. 1 star. Wow. Very good, Nita. And with that, I will give you balloons. Now, let's move on to your wrap up. And these are your keywords. What is this?
Children.
Can you? That is cubby. Can you say it? Cubby.
Copy.
Next, what is this? This is
Copy.
cold.
Cut.
Okay, good. What is this?
Hat.
Yes, good job. Next.
Mat.
Very good. 1 star. Next. Okay, your keywords. Now, what is this, Nita?
Mat.
Man. Next.
We.
Woman.
Woman. Wita.
Okay, next. What is that? That is they.
Slave.
Again, they. Okay, next. What is this? That is
That
men.
is
Look, what is that? Men.
man.
Next, women.
Women.
And
No.
children.
Children.
Okay, good job. 1 star. And now, Nita, please read your key sentences. What is this?
How many
Women.
how many women are there?
Very good. And the last one, there is
There is one.
woman.
There one woman.
Okay, very good. 1 star for you. And now, are you ready to sing the goodbye song? Where is your mic? We will sing the goodbye song. Okay, let's sing now. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. Goodbye. Okay, thank you so much, Nita. You did a wonderful job in our
Thank
lesson for today. You
you.
are welcome. And one star for you. And okay,
Thank you so
Nita, let's
much.
see each other again next time. Bye bye.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you also, and you are all